All right, today is the 21st day of April, and we are continuing our coding. And today we are going to revise loading screen or class screen that we did the last time we met. So quickly, as you can see on your screen, the picture you are seeing is my picture for the loading screen, and this is a text we used just to give information to the viewer. And this is my timer, and this is my progress bar. So you need a label to describe the page. You need progress bar. You need timer. You need picture box. Now, what are the things you will look for if you want to take away the title bar and then the borders around the window of the flat screen? Do you remember it?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
You go to form border style.
So you go to form border style, then you set it to none, so that the borders
Yes.
around the window will be off. And then if you want to move the window to any position on the screen, where do you go? Start point.
Start.
Point. You can say Windows start point. You have to give the full meaning or start point. We got to know these things. And the last thing we did was what? Since it's a loading screen, you need to let the cursor do something. You can tell me. The cursor must what? Be set to what? Busy in the background. And there are so many mouse pointers or cursors that shows busy in the background. So you choose any of the designs. You choose any of the designs. I hope I'm clear. All right.
Yes, sir.
All right. So these are the three things or the things you're supposed to know. Quickly, I want us to have a feel of something. I prefer you watching the video, and then you are going to write the codes. Please take your pen and paper. I want us to watch a short video, and then you are going to write the code. You are going to write a code down. I think 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4 or 5 lines of code.
So this is the chapter 4 of and but so we are going to use this statement. Say that if
Hold on.
progress by 1 the value reaches 100%, then our timer 1 reaches, and then double click on the timer. So we
Hold on. I want us to do something first.
And then on this level, I will say that.
No, we'll do something first. Let's do something first. Okay.
Search for the cursor and choose.
All right. I want. Please open your app. This one. Open it first. This is the first page. Okay. Now let's go to projects, and I go to add Windows form. Are you following? Are you following? Okay, so we go there. We are going to create, this is form 2. Form 2, we leave it like that. Then you click on add. So this is the second page. The second page. So this is where you design your web browser. Take note, this is page 1. This is page 2. Let's change the name here. The name here. The name here. Let's change the name here. So go to properties. The name here. So this online browser. 2.1. Then you press enter. I hope you send it on the online browser too. So this is my, so I'll just bring a text box. No, label. I'll just bring a label. I'll just bring a label. So I'll go to, I'll probably go to, I'll go to, okay, label. I'll come to my first interface of my browser. So this is what you design. So I'll go to font. So this is where you design your browser. So this is the first. So you've gotten page 1, page 2, page 1, page 2, page 1, page 2. All right. So now I want us to watch the video, but oh my God. And now you take note. Okay.
Click on this form. Now go to its form border style and change it to none. Right? So this is how it looks. Now you don't have that border here. Good. So that is it. Now let's see. When I click on start, you will see that it will be starting, right? But you will see that it will be it will not start in the middle of the screen. So let's stop that. And then go to it. Make sure your form is selected from one.
This part is important.
And then search for Windows start position, right? Select center screen. So anytime you start,
All right. What's that?
Search for choose cursor width, or let's say waiting cursor. So anytime you have your mouse, you see that.
Kaya ada nama itu.
We have our
Isinya ada nama itu.
then we have our timer. Let's create add this form, and it will pop up this form, right? Because this one is the one already. So this is make sure we just right. So on this form, this is our main form, right? So let me add a label, drag the label and drop it. Let's say I'm gonna change the font size. And then on this label, I will say that home page, right? So before we can come to this page, we need to pass through this before we can come to this page, right? So let's start coding. Come here. Now, click on the timer. Make sure the timer is enabled to true. And then double click on the timer. So we're going to code everything here.
Okay, now we are going to. Please, are you there? Please, are you there? Okay. You click on the timer.
Yes.
You click on the timer. We are done with everything. You click on the timer. and then you are going to put the timer to enable it. You enable the timer. Look at that. It is at what? It's at what? This is what? False.
False.
Yes. So you choose true. You choose true. Now, after choosing to double click on the time button, and then you code. We are going to take the code one by one. I want to write the code down, and that is the only code we are going to apply. I want to explain the code first before you watch the video. Okay, now the code is such that you are going to equate this program. You are going to Can I talk?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, continue.
Okay. Okay, I'm coming around. Okay, maybe you have to work, so don't worry. Yes, we're going to code behind this timer. You will double click on it anyway, and it will code behind the timer. And then we are going to equate this progress bar to 100. So progress bar dot value is equal to 100. You say it. It means
No, where?
this is the progress bar. We are going to double click on this timer button, and then to code the loading screen for it to work, we are going to code the progress bar. So the code is progress bar dot value is equal to 100. Do you get my point?
Yes, sir.
You let's watch and I'll explain. You are telling this progress bar saying the value of it must be equal to 100. And that is how it is everywhere. Okay. Let's watch it and I'll explain to that effect. They also apply it. Okay.
So we will say that progress bar 1 dot its increment should be 1, right? Increasing the progress bar by 1. So we are going to use this that if progress bar 1 dot the value reaches to 100%, then our timer 1, which is the timer, should stop. And then we will say that our form, which is this form, should show, right? It should copy. So we will say that form dot show, and then sorry, let me bring it. Okay. So we need to end the if, right? So that I get okay, right? So if the form
okay, please pay attention. Are you listening?
Yeah.
Good. The first page that we are talking about is a splash screen, and it is from 1.
Okay. Yes.
When the form 1 is gone, form 2 will appear, and the form 2 is what is where we design our. Good. Now in Visual Studio or VB language, if you want form 1 to hide, so that form 2 will appear. Okay. Please, are you following? If you want form 1 to hide, you don't say form 1. Okay. We say me. The form 1 is always me. That is when you want it to hide. So me dot hide form 2 dot show. So we'll get there. Now, what the first line of code is saying is that progress bar 1 dot increment into bracket 1. It means that the movement of the progress bar, the signal in the progress bar, will move in ones. If you put 2 or 5 or 6 there, it will move faster. You get it?
Okay.
And then if progress bar 1 dot value is equal to 100, it means that we are equating the progress bar 1 to 100 as its value. Therefore, when it hits 100, then the timer should stop. As soon as the timer stops, from 2 will show, and then from 1 will hide. We don't say from 1 hide. We say mean dot hide. It will come. Let's finish.
Then the form one which is below this flash screen should hide.
Now, from 1 should hide. In coding, you don't say from 1 should hide. Any form that you want it to hide, let me say, you don't say from 1 to hide. You say mean dot hide. We equate from 1 as you. Okay? So we correct it.
Form 1 should hide, which is this form, this form 1 should hide. Say you are coding on the form 1. So instead of saying form 1, you would say me hide, right? Say me dot hide. You will say me dot hide, yes. So that is it. This is the code for the timer, right?
Okay, so he has gotten the right codes. So I want you to write it on somewhere before we type it. So progress by 1 dot increment, and we want the increment to move in ones, bit by bit. If we use 5, it will move in speed. The length of the progress bar will be faster. Boom, 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 boom. Then if it is 5, if it is 20, it means it will move how many times? 5 times, and it will hit 100. You know that? Yes. So the first line of code says that progress by 1 dot increment, and we want the increment to be 1. If progress by 1 dot value is equal to 100, it means we are equating the progress by 1, we are equating its value to be 100. Meaning when it hits 100, the whole bar is 100. If you bring 50 there, it means the whole bar is 50. But in the actual sense, the whole bar is 100. So by default, you equate it to 100. Okay. If progress by 1 dot value is equal to 100, then timer 1 dot stop. You see, when the progress bar signals move, it moves with the calculation from the timer. So what we are saying is that after the progress bar hits 100, the timer should also stop working. The moment the timer stops working, the form 2 should show. The moment form 2 shows, form 1 must hide. But since you are coding on form 1, we don't say form 1 dot hide. We say me dot hide. That is the meaning of the code you are seeing. Okay, so we are going to write the same thing. We are going to write the same thing. Please, are you guys there?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys there? So let's move on. Capture the whole code in your head, and I'm going to put it on here. Let me see. Look at where my work. Okay, thank God. My work spoiled. It has come. Okay, so you are going to code behind this one. Okay, those who wrote the codes, tell me. Let me enter the codes. Are you there?
Progress by 1.
And dot
Yes.
I'm coming. Progress
by 1 dot.
I'm coming. Okay. Progress by 1 dot increment.
Progress by dot increment.
Okay, is it into brackets?
Bracket 1.
1. You can make it 5, depending on what you want to do. And
Okay.
then progress by, sorry, if
if
statement.
progress by 1.
Statement.
Yes.
If progress by 1 dot
Value
dot value is equal to,
is equal to 100.
sorry, equal
100.
I'm coming over. It's equal to 100. Was it 100 or 100%?
100.
Okay. Then
next line.
timer
Timer 1 dot stop.
Good.
Argument.
Timer 1 dot
Dot
stop.
stop.
From 2
dot show.
And the mean
Dot hide.
Me
dot.
Okay. Let me start mine first. If it doesn't work, then we look. Okay. It's working. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? It's moving in ones.
Okay.
2 shows.
Yes.
It's moving in ones. Let's make it 20. Let's make it 20. Oh God. When you close it, make sure you close this button. It's gone. There'll be a red button here. Else, if you work, it will not allow you to work on the application. Okay, I want to make it 20. 20. Have you seen it?
Okay.
So let's see what will happen. Have you seen it? Fast.
Okay.
It will move in only 5 times. Let me make it 10. Oh my God. Okay. I say I have not stopped it. So look at that. You have to click on this one. Else it will not work, please. I didn't stop. That's why it was not working for me. Okay. So I want to make it 10. 10. Now it will not move faster to like the one. Look at that. So I think if you want people to see your destiny, you have to make it maybe the one is perfect. The one is what? Perfect. Okay, that's it.
Where's my laptop?
That's it. Any questions so far? The code is important. It's time for graphic designing. Where is that?
So say, how are you going to
How
are you going to embed the loading screen with the browser?
But second page came. Yours, can't you see second page? Can't you see second page? This is the browser that has appeared though. Oh, you also did.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Uh-huh. So
Okay.
so it
Laptop
means
and
that now when we've gotten the two ideas, I want us to make a project from tomorrow. You present it tomorrow, and I will go over with you again. You be a better video player. Do you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Do you get it?
Yeah.
So that's it. Okay. So we are done for this. Let me call the graphic designer to take over for me. Thank you very much. And this is where we bring our training to an end. But within 10 minutes, I will come back. So don't go away, please. Don't go away. Don't go away. Stop.